Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this discussion, we shall be looking at division. In this series, we are going to look at one of the challenging arithmetic operations that normally children in the basic school normally face. Before we proceed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Now, if you have to divide 812 by 4, draw a table like this and write in the values as shown. So we have 8, 1, 2 here, divided by 4. Now, unlike multiplication, when you are dividing, you start from the greatest value to the least value. So first of all, we divide 8 by 4, and that simply gives us 2. Then we divide 1 by 4. Now you realize that we can't get 4s out of 1. So just write there 0. And now, for the next, send the one we couldn't divide, then the remaining 2 here to the top, and that gives us 12. And now let's ask ourselves, 12 divided by 4 simply gives us 3. Therefore, 812 divided by 4 is equal to 203. Thank you for your time. Subscribe, like, and share so that anytime we post a video, you can easily be notified. Thank you.